Alrighty, guys, so we got some news from Palantir that we have to cover in this video that's pushing the stock higher yet again, so we're going to break that down, and of course, the charts, maybe some other stocks later in the video, but first, guys, hit the like button, do not forget to subscribe, and snag up your free stocks from Moomoo, your 30 free stocks. Open up your account, deposit at least $100 using that link down below, and you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, if you want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your 30 stocks, guys. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So Palantir right now is up around 0.25%, nothing crazy, but it is a good move, or a decent move, I guess you can say, considering earlier in the day we were down. We were actually 2% in the red, something like that. We hit $121.50, and now you guys can see we're up around 3% off that low, and now you guys see this green candle, we're clearly breaking back over $125 per share. And hold on a second, wait, we might have literally caught the all-time high on the video. We did. We just hit an all-time high, guys. Just now, as I'm filming this video, we officially broke out of 125, which was the high roughly in the pre-market yesterday as well. So we ripped through that, hit the mid 125s, again, an all-time high, which is great news, guys. And this stock, I mean, we all know we don't have to spend too much time here on the charts. We've been uptrending like crazy. I mean, just a couple of weeks ago, this thing was at $70 about 3 weeks ago, which is nuts. And now we're at 125, pretty much a double up off the lows from a month ago. Insane, unbelievable here on Palantir, guys. And before we get carried away on the charts, again, there's not much to cover here. Nothing really groundbreaking today, at least charts-wise. Before we get too deep into it, let me show you here the news that we just got, guys. Let me pull it up right now. There we go. So you guys can see Palantir and Saur announced a strategic partnership to enhance contract management with generative AI. Let me zoom in so we can actually read this here together, guys. So Palantir today announced a multi-year strategic partnership with Saur Group, or Saur Group, which is a global leader in essential water distribution, wastewater treatment, and smart water solutions to transform contract management processes through Palantir Foundry's advanced generative AI capabilities. And in the water and environmental services industry, managing complex multi-year contracts efficiently is critical, right? These master agreements often span thousands of pages in PDF format and contain a wide range of operational targets and reporting requirements, and gaining clear real-time visibility into these contracts is essential for mitigating risks, ensuring accountability, and delivering high-quality service to customers, right? And through this strategic partnership, Saur is further strengthening its contract management capabilities by leveraging Palantir Foundry and AIP. This advanced technology enhances Saur's capability or ability to analyze and navigate complex contracts, transforming vast amounts of data into structured, accessible insights. And by streamlining compliance, tracking, and operational commitments, Saur is making its processes even more agile, transparent, and responsive to evolving needs, guys. And the project underlines Saur's commitment to integrating cutting-edge technology and AI into its operations, enhancing agility and decision-making. Processes that previously required extensive time and resources can now be executed in minutes. Which is great. allowing teams to focus on strategic priorities. And with deployment to over 300 users within only few months of deployment, this initiative marks a significant step toward a more responsive, transparent, and streamlined approach to contract management, ultimately reinforcing its ability to meet compliance requirements and better serve its customers. And it looks like here the CIO at Saur, Roni Bahani, I think maybe that's how you pronounce Roni's name here. They said the potential of Foundry and AIP has been harnessed thanks to years of foundational work on data mastery at Saur, defining a standard language, establishing pragmatic governance for continuous data quality improvement, and centralizing our data to ensure secure and efficient access. This partnership with Palantir allows us to transform contract management by turning vast and complex data sets into clear, actionable intelligence, like we said, and it represents a major step in our AI-driven transformation, reinforcing our ability to enhance compliance, streamline operations, and better serve our customers, guys. So that's the big news. That's the big news here, which I'm excited about for sure. It's always a great day when we get some good Palantir news here, guys. And like I said, the stock literally just hit an all-time high in the beginning of this video. And who knows? Is 130 next? It might be. It might be at this point, guys. But realize the stock is up a lot in just the last 3 to 4 weeks. So trade at your own risk, right? Trade at your own risk. Long-term Palantir, it's a great play. I own the stock, no doubt. But in the short term, it's anybody's best guess what's going to happen, right? We could go to 130, or we could take a haircut back to the 80s, right? 90, 100, who knows? So keep that in mind. Either way, guys, the bulls are dominating the stock, even if it pulled down. The crazy thing is, guys, literally, even if this stock pulled down to $90 a share, the bulls would still be in charge. Isn't that crazy? The 180 SMA here on the 4-hour chart on Palantir is at $88, $90. So if we pull down, 30%, 25%, we would still be in an uptrend. The bulls would still be in charge, which is nuts. So what do you guys think about Palantir? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, I'm super curious kind of where your head's at. And let me show you now some other stocks that are moving. It looks like here a couple are moving. Celsius is up. CELH about 11% here on the day. It looks like we're bouncing quite nicely off the lows. We're up around, 20% off the recent low. Heading into earnings, which are actually tomorrow, the 20th, after the bell. So Celsius is definitely worth watching ahead of earnings. I guess there is a little hype building up as we are up 11% going into earnings here, guys. So Celsius, I'm not in love with this company here by any means, I'll be honest with you guys, but it could be a runner considering how beaten up it is. If they surprise on earnings, surprise on guidance, yeah, I mean, this could very well be a runner. We might be getting a big move on Celsius. Time will tell, guys. So that is moving. Enphase is also moving. Let me double check Enphase. Yeah, still very much so in a downtrend. Not really looking like it's breaking out, but it is up 4%. Maybe we have a bit of a bullish divergence on this RSI. So let's see if Enphase can maybe form some momentum, build off the gains we're seeing. Disney's also moving, although it's been flat for a good 3 months now. It is moving in the right direction, which I am liking, but we have to get the full breakout above, I'd say, 112 to 15 for this to really take off. And that's kind of what I'm eyeing up here. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run the likes up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're almost at 100. Well, not almost at 100,000 subs, but the goal is to get to 100,000 subs. And check out my second channel at Stas Talks Money. The link is down below. It's a personal finance kind of reaction type channel, and we're almost at 1,000 subs on this. We make content on debt, bad financial decisions, the cost of living, Americans, they can't stop spending money. Go check out that channel linked down below, guys. We're almost at 1,000 subs, and get your 30 stocks from Moo. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks. So guys, if you want 30 free stocks, check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.